Dear Mom, Happy Mother's Day. In fact, every day is Mother's Day. The love, the care, the struggle, the time, the sacrifices, the affection. What a mother can do for you, no one else can. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. Today, I'm gonna do lovely artwork for Mother. Let's draw with me and gift to your loving mother. Share this video with your loving mother to thanks for her endless efforts. Press the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Write at least one line for your loving mother down below in the comments. MashaAllah, it looks so good. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.